Hello everyone. In this video, we will study what is data structure and classification of data structure. So now we will see the definition of data structure. A data structure is a method of storing the data in the computer so that it can be used efficiently. So basically whatever the data we store, that concept is called as data structure. That method to store the data in the computer is called as data structure. So basically data structure deals with the following things. In that, the first one is study of how data is organized in the memory. So basically how we arrange the data in the computer means where we store the data. That study of storing data in the system is called as data structure. The next point, that is how efficiently the data can be retrieved. The data structure is also deal with how we can efficiently retrieve the data. That means how we can access the data from the system more efficiently. The next one is how efficiently data can be manipulated. So this point means what? How we can manage data in the system efficiently. So that also deals with the data structure. The fourth one is the possible ways in which different data items are logically related. So this particular point means how data is related with each other. Means there will be number of data stored on the system. So how they are related to each other, even that point also deals with data structure. So now we will see the classification of data structure. So data structure is classified in two types. The first one is primitive data structure. So in that the examples are int, float, char, double. So these data types comes under primitive data types. The second one is non-primitive data structures. So in that again there are two types, that is linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Now we will see the first type, that is primitive data structure. So the primitive data structures are the data structures that can be manipulated directly by machine instructions. So these data types are handled or managed directly by the machine's instructions. So these primitive data structures are directly handled by machine. That means these types are already built in machines. So these are the various types, that is integer, floating point number, characters, pointer. So these are the examples of primitive data structures. The next one is non-primitive data structures. These are the data structures that cannot be manipulated directly by machine instruction. So these data structures are not handled by machine instructions. Examples: arrays, structure, stacks, queues, linked list, files, etc. So these are the examples of non-primitive data structures which are not directly managed or handled by machine instructions. In that there are two types. The first one is linear data structure. So here data items are arranged in a linear sequence. Means suppose we are storing data as a linear data structure, then all the data will be stored in sequence manner, that is one after another. So these are the examples, that is arrays, stacks, queues, linked lists. So if you see in arrays, we save the data in continuous manner, that is in sequence way. Stacks, queues, linked lists, these are the other concepts or data types. We will discuss that in upcoming videos. Second one is nonlinear data structures. So here data items are not arranged in sequence manner. That means we can store data in memory, but that arrangement will be not in sequence. Means suppose we are using trees or graphs, so these are the examples. So here we can store data in different locations.